Hi guys, for today's video I have a Maxx haul. I actually intended for this to be a couple of more stores, but in the end I went into Ross. Like, my Ross must be broken because there was just nothing in it. So I've got a TJ Maxx haul and a Target haul, which is really funny because I just did a Target haul and I talked about how Target's not really one of my stores. I don't go in there very often whatsoever, maybe like twice a year. I actually ran an errand with Micah, and well, she loves Target. So I ran in there with her, and then this is what I came out with for myself. So that's what I'm gonna share with you guys today, TJ Maxx and Target. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with TJ Maxx first, and I am so excited that I found this pumpkin right here. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you may recognize it because I already have one of these. Two houses ago, I created like this whole pumpkin spread in my fireplace. There's a whole video on it. Anyways, at the time when I originally purchased this same pumpkin like 2 years ago, I can't quite remember if like they only had the one pumpkin or if I just didn't want to buy two at the time. All I know is that when I saw it again, I knew it was my opportunity to have two. I'm typically a person where like I like to balance things out and for things to be symmetrical, so I decided to get another one, and it's gorgeous. It lights up, by the way, so it's got a candle in there, and it was $24.99. So I did not expect to see that at all, especially since I bought it like 2 years ago. Next up is a hat, but I am digging this hat so much. It actually has a little like, I don't know, stain or something on there I need to get out. But this Adidas hat is giving me 1983. Like, I don't even know. I love this so much. This retailed for $20, but at TJ Maxx it was $12.99. You can see the Adidas logo right there as well. And then it just says it 3 times in these colors. And I squealed because I feel like hats nowadays, for me personally, I'm getting pickier and pickier about, you know, their character and the ones that I like, because I have a massive hat collection. Like, I could actually at this point do a whole new video of my collection, because I did one like a couple years ago. That's how many hats I have, that I did a whole dedicated collection video to it. But anyways, this one just really took me to the 80s. I don't know. So I'm really happy I found that. Then I picked up this little notepad. It was $3.99. I love the simple black lines, and it kind of looks like a stamped pumpkin. It's very, very cute. I got this for junk journaling, you know, and there's so many pages in here. I don't even know, 125. Like, that's a lot, you know? So I got that. Then I got a mug, cause the green lining, the white, the green, and the black combination I love. I don't have a mug at all like this one with the cat. He's so cute. This was $4.99. Oh my gosh, I love that mug so much. And then the last thing is a candle, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Now, this surprised me big time because I didn't realize I liked the smell of candy corn. I'm also seeing a lot of like candy corn candles this year. I don't know if it's just because I'm like paying attention. $4.99. I wish I could describe it to you, but there's a creaminess to it, and I really like that. I love like baked good smells, like vanilla, apple pie. Like, I love that. So I had to get this, and the little candle is super chic. Love that. So that's it. That's what I got from TJ Maxx. I spent $56.24, but that includes tax. Now let's go ahead and get into Target. And I had to get some, like, you know, extra things that I was running out of. So I had to get my BB cream. I have been on this for such a long time now, and I don't even know if I ever see myself going back to foundation. This is so light. I love that I can still like see my skin through it. So I've just been obsessed with the BB cream. I got the color 120, but I'm also pairing it with the color 130 because this right now is a little too light for me. So, and 130 is too dark for me. So when I combine the two, it's like a perfect match. So I really love this stuff, I'm telling you. And then I had to restock in my mascara. I love this mascara so much. The one negative thing I'll say about this is that I feel like it goes very quickly. And because it's not a clear package, it just makes me wonder how much product they're actually putting in there. It's probably like to here. You know what I mean? I don't even know. I mean, it says 0.28 fluid ounces. So, I mean, I don't know how that works. From my personal experience, I wish this would just last longer. It starts to get really clumpy and dryish no matter how hard I like tighten the lid. Like I make sure to always tighten it when I'm done. But anyways, I love this stuff. It's the best on my eyelashes for me. Okay, then I picked up these little candles. Oh my gosh, at first I just thought they were little tin pails. And then I looked in there and they are candles. And look at that, candy corn. I don't know if it's like the candy corn season or something, but that, yeah, it was $3 in the Target dollar spot. Not as good as the other candy corn, but, and this one is pumpkin pie. Super cute. Wait a damn minute. I am not a fan of pumpkin scents or pumpkin taste, trust me. I wish I was. I wish I could tell my taste buds and my nose to just get it together. Cause I wanna be like y'all. I wanna go get the pumpkin latte and the pumpkin muffin and I wanna eat the pumpkin pie, but I gag instead. And so usually when it comes to candles, I stay away from an all pumpkin scent. I like when pumpkin is mixed with either a vanilla or a marshmallow. When they put those two together, like I can do pumpkin, but this is straight pumpkin pie and I like it. So I'm very surprised. Sorry for that long ass explanation. Also in the Target dollar spot section, they have a bunch of little signs. I actually was gonna grab all of them, but I decided to just like put this one in my cart. This was also $3. I mean, it's very cute. I love it. I got it because it's the crow. I wish these little pieces were black. And honestly, I'm gonna go in with some kind of fabric marker and fill it in with black. I get that they were trying to make it look shadowy, but I think if it was all black, it would just look, it would look chicer to me personally. But I still think Dollar Tree wins with signs. Like I really do. Okay, next up, no one is surprised by this, so let me just show you the cards that I got. And if you're watching me for the first time, I love getting these little cards for junk journaling. And I love looking for anything that looks vintage, and this, like the little kids and the cat, love the illustration. And the little owl, so cute. Then I got this one. These cards were about $1.97. So, there's that. And then this beautiful pumpkin. Wow, like that orange is interesting. Like the way they made it look so bright. And like to junk journal with, you can like cover this part up with different paper and then write, you know, journal in there. So there's that. All right, then I got this little shirt, which Micah has already claimed she loves. So I just know it's gonna be out of my room soon and in hers. I should just go get her one herself, but this is her favorite color, first of all. Like Micah's favorite color is this like sherbety orange. And then I saw the Great Pumpkin Patch and the Charlie Brown. This is so cute. This was $14.99. And I got this in a size medium. Sometimes I want graphic shirts to fit me a certain way. I either want it like in an extra large on my body so that I can wear it with leggings. But then sometimes I see a shirt that I might want to wear with jeans. And if I want to wear it with jeans, I get it more tailored to fit me. So I thought I definitely wanted to wear this with jeans. I thought it would look really cute. So I got a medium. That whole explanation for that. But in this bag, I got more clothing. So if you didn't watch my last Target haul, link it down below. A lot of clothing. I'm actually wearing it. I didn't even realize. Yeah. But I'm wearing this little set with the skirt that's from Target. So, and then everything's beige. Oh my God, okay. I saw this button up. It could almost be a shacket for like early fall. It's pretty thick. I don't know what this material is called, but it is like a fleecy kind of. It's supposed to be an oversized fit, so I got it medium, and it is $28. And I also saw myself wearing this more with jeans, because if I saw myself wearing this with leggings, I would have to size up for me personally to do that. If I wear leggings, I want to like cover my booty, you know, so. But this, I thought, let me style it with like a jean skirt or jeans. So, and then I could like do a little of unbuttoning and wear like a black little bralette under it, and that would be cute, you know? So that's what I envisioned. And then I got this like cable knit. I talked about this in my last Target haul. I was watching this girl, she was doing her outfits, and it was very athletic. Like she had on a hat and she had on sneakers and she had on like running shorts, but then she had it paired with a knit. And I just really liked how she did that. And the knit was from Target. So because of that, I'm like, oh, I need to like start finding more of these like really good sweaters, basic sweaters. So I found this one, super cute. I got it in a large, so I wanted it a little bit more oversized on me. It was $25. Very cream, kind of almost has like, I don't even know. It's all one color, but for some reason it looks like two. Maybe it is, I don't know. But I want to try to find one that's like more of a white rather than like a beige. Sorry, Loki's like walking around the tripod. But anyways, that's what I got. That's it. That's what I got from Target. That's what I got from TJ Maxx. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited. We're gonna get into house tours soon. The new house is coming up, decorating's coming up, and I'm just kind of hoping to get back into like the swing of those things. I've already started ordering furniture for the new house, so I'm very excited for you guys to see what my new decorating style is going to be, because it is going to be slightly different from what you're used to. At least I think so. You never know with me. I could end up like finding myself moving back into how I decorated before. But anyways, I feel like I'm rambling today, but that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.